Welcome back to my channel. I've been on my working grind and doing a lot of behind the scenes things, and now I finally can film again. I'm really excited because I missed you guys and I really want to get back into my weekly vlogs, and we have some really fun, exciting things coming up. I want to get back in the swing of things, back in my rhythm, back in my routine. I feel like I did get really thrown out of my routine recently. I need to get back in the gym. I've been so out of my gym routine, just my whole routine in general. I just really want to get back into it. I want to get productive. I want to get a good routine down. That's what we're gonna do. So I got all ready because today I'm gonna go see Wuthering Heights with my girl Courtney in the city in Amsterdam, and I feel like Amsterdam is such a good location to see Wuthering Heights in the theaters because all of our theaters are very like old school vibes, and I feel like it matches the vibe of the film. Like we have all the cool architecture for it. This morning before I got ready, I made a cute little like PR box for my friend Courtney. Coco and Eve inspired this because they had like a Galentine's PR thing, but we couldn't fill in the form fast enough before it was already filled. And then I was like, wait, I have so much of my own PR, and Coco and Eve has also done just such a great job of keeping me stocked up. So I was like, wait, I have so much extra product. I also made her a PR box. I'm gonna show you what I put in there. So this is the Coco and Eve conditioner. This is the Like a Virgin line. I love the Like a Virgin line. Coco and Eve face micro mist tanning spray. And then we also have some Fui blushes. I think these shades would look so gorgeous on her, and these are also just like lip, cheek, multi-purpose. And I also really love the formula of them. Of course, the trusty Makeup Forever lip liner. And the crazy thing is, Makeup Forever isn't in our stores here, which is so crazy because it's originally a Paris company. So you would think it would be here since we're in Europe, but they don't have it here from what I've seen. So I'm excited for her to try this because these are my favorite lip liners like of all time. An Hourglass lipstick. I've been loving these. This one's in the shade Invite. Those are so good though. I love those. And then I know she loves Kiko, so I added the Kiko Milano Glow Fusion highlighting drops. We also have one of my favorites ever, a Lawless lip gloss. These are like the pumping. Out of all of the lip glosses I've tried, I genuinely think these are like my favorite. The gloss that they give, the plump that they give, the shade, like everything is just chef's kiss. And then we have some Real skincare. So I did the retinol chin mask, and then I also did like a blackhead removing kit. I had to put in my favorite trusty Biodance Real Deep Collagen Mask. These have genuinely changed my life, changed my skin. The collagen line from Biodance, because I also use the toning pads, is like so unreal, and it's literally forever changed my skincare routine. Like I don't know what I've been doing without them. That is everything in the PR box, and I think it was such a cute idea. Had some tissue paper in there. So it's fun. We're having like a proper Galentine's today because now we're gonna go see Wuthering Heights and we get to do our little Galentine's PR. So I'm really excited for that. Okay, I quickly changed into just like a little bit of a comfier outfit. I don't know, I was just walking around the house in the brown set and I was like kind of cold, and I don't really want to be like cold in a movie, so I was like, you know what, I'll just rep a little bit of a more comfy outfit so that I can just like be comfortable and chill. We're about to go. Let's go. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see this movie. I have not read the book. You're gonna get my real raw reaction based on the movie because I don't know anything else. Let's go. I'm about to do a little bit of a room swap. I think I want to move my vanity to turn this way against the wall. I kind of like this background a little bit more than the background it has now, I think. So I'm just gonna do a little move around. I also think it's good to get a fresh like vibe in the room. Like sometimes I think it's good to change things around and get like a fresh energy in the space. That's all my lipsticks falling over. I'm gonna vacuum behind it. I'm also way too impatient to wait for my boyfriend to get home, so I'm moving it by myself. I need to like re-put everything back up, but now that I've moved it over here, I want to like do a deep clean on my desk and also take out any like empties or anything like that. It's just a full fresh energy. That's kind of what I'm wanting. This is crazy. This has to be clean. Wait, I'm so happy with how it turned out. I mean, I've had it like this before. I feel like the space just has a better like feng shui to it. I also cleaned Keynes's desk as well as mine. The whole room got a deep clean. Let me show you. So this is what the office is looking like. It's again another space that I kind of wish we had more decor in. I feel like I just need to finish decorating the apartment. I don't know, there's just like so many little things that I want to get. It's not really the same as like in America where you can just like drive to Target or drive to stores and put it in your car. You have to like order everything or have everything delivered. And I personally like to like physically see things and pick things out. Yeah, I've just had a hard time decorating and doing the little pieces. For now, it's fine. I do feel so much better that it's clean. And it's nice to have the light coming through that window there. But I'm happy. I feel like it's a better space. I also feel just like so much better that it's like clean. All of the like empty products or old products are all like thrown out. So I feel like really reorganized, which is nice, and very clean, which I love. I feel like my mind is only as clean as my environment is. When I do have a day off, I really try to deep clean something in the apartment, like to pick a space and then really deep clean it. I have like a good like flow throughout the apartment. So I did a few different spaces today. I really locked in, which was really nice. I did the front area, I did the kitchen, and I did this area as well, and our bedroom, and I'm doing a bunch of laundry. So I'm just really focusing on being like productive and getting all of these like little things done just so I can feel my very best. So yeah, I also showered this morning and I'm currently marinating in some self-tan. So honestly, we also did like a mini glow up as well, and it's beautiful blue skies today. So I'm feeling so good about that. I'm just really happy. I'm feeling very good and productive, and it's exactly what I am needing right now. Anyway, I'm so happy with how the vanity turned out. She's just so cutesy. For right now, it's fine, but I think in the future I would definitely go a little bit of a different vibe. I think I've also started to kind of figure out my style and my taste, and now I just need to execute it a little bit more. Good morning. It's nearly 8 a.m. I'm getting ready for work right now, and then after work I am going to do a little picnic in the park with some friends because it's been such nice weather out in Amsterdam. We're all craving the sun, so we have a pretty fun day ahead of us. So I'm excited for that. So I'm just gonna do my makeup and get ready. I have my hair in a braided bun. That's the vibes for today. Spend a Friday with me living in Amsterdam. Today finally felt like spring. Renaissance was hosting a AIMS sportswear influencer event today, so that was really fun to be a part of. After that, I headed up to our meeting space upstairs and prepared for some meetings that I had. One of my favorite things about living in Amsterdam is that after work I can just go meet up with some friends in Vondel Park. We had a really cute picnic and it was just such a great way to start off the weekend. I'm very much looking forward to picnic season, like it's just around the corner. I also love that there's other things you can do in Vondel Park. Like Keynes and I went to go find a photo booth and we took the cutest pictures, and that is how I spent my Friday in Amsterdam. Happy Sunday. I feel like this vlog has literally been like 2 weeks long. I really need to just like sit down and edit it, but I have something to show you guys. A new addition to the family. My new vlogging camera. Just kidding. She's 100 years old. This is a Teddy 146 folding camera. Let me unbox her for you. And I got this camera randomly at a market yesterday. I was literally just out with some friends celebrating a birthday. I just happened to stumble upon it at the market, and as soon as I saw this camera, I knew she had to come home with me. Like, check out how cool this is. Is this not like literally the coolest thing ever? Definitely a collector's item. I really want to have it on a podium over in the corner. I know exactly where I'm gonna put it, and I want her to just like be sitting up on it, like on the case, like so, because I feel like she's just a piece. She's an art piece. She's historic. She's gorgeous. We're adding her to the collection of cameras, and she's just like in great condition. I got her for a steal. I got her for literally a steal. He says she still works. I honestly think I'm gonna take it somewhere to see if there's anything that I need to do, and honestly just like learn how to take pictures on it. I was trying to get it to focus yesterday, but I actually don't really know how to like work her that well. Like this wasn't really something I was expecting to get. It was just one of those moments in life where you stumble across it and it's just meant to be. But she's so gorgeous, and she's 100 years old. She came out in the 1920s, so she's seen a lot. I think it's so cool. And it's my new vlogging camera. Hey, welcome back to the vlog. It's just so, she's so cool. Like I can't get over it. I feel like it definitely fits in our apartment vibe as well. I just want to put her on display over there and let her have her own moment. Like she totally deserves it. The case has a stamp, an Italian stamp that's been on it for who knows how long. And it's like embedded in the leather at this point. Like it literally, like you could not peel it up. It's literally embedded in there. So cool. I need to find like the perfect podium, or like maybe like a display shelf like cabinet I think would also be cute. There's a few ways we could go around it. It's such a cool piece, and now my collection is expanding and growing, and I'm really excited about it. I had to share with you guys because I always talk about my cameras with you guys. I really want to take her in, see if there's any little things that need to be fixed or anything that I need to get, and then I want to learn how to take a picture on it. Like I really want to go and take a picture. It also has a screw in the bottom for a tripod, so you can literally like put it up. I really want to check it out, make sure everything is like perfect, get a little bit of like a crash course on how to use it so I can take a picture, because I don't even know like how to do anything. I was really trying to get it to focus yesterday, but it's really hard, and there's so many little numbers and screws, and I just need to get a little bit of research, because it wasn't really something that I was like, oh, I really want to get this camera, and I was like really looking for it. Like I don't really know a lot about it or these cameras. I know I studied them a lot in film school. It was more like proper video, like the film rolls is what we were learning, to have like a photograph. Do you know that with these ones they're like specific and large images? So I thought it would be really cute if like Keynes and I went and we took a picture somewhere in Amsterdam with this camera, got it developed, and like had it in this like big photo, and then we could put that photo like in the corner with it. Like I don't know, I just think that's so cool. And obviously this isn't something I can be carrying around all the time and taking a ton of pictures, so I want it to have its like statement picture and then just be a cute decorative piece. But I want to know how to use it. I want to know every little detail, and I think it's going to be a fun adventure and a really great learning experience, and I'm just so excited. She's so cute. So that's my new camera collection update for you guys. This weekend was so fun. Honestly, we were out and about the whole weekend. Honestly, I feel like the reason why I haven't been able to get this vlog up is because I've just been so busy this week and just running around and always doing something. I know I say this all the time, but it's true. I have a lot of fun things coming up and in store. I can't wait to share them with you guys. So definitely subscribe if you aren't. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Okay, it will be next week that you'll be seeing another vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye.